Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are doing wash day. So I'm going to just talk you through some of the products and what I do during my wash day. So first of all, I start off by using a diluted shampoo, the Neutrogena T-Gel Anti-Dandruff Scalp Relief Shampoo. Now I use this on my dry hair, and I literally just focus on the scalp. I do suffer with dry scalp, so I find that by putting it on directly onto the dry scalp, it's actually most effective for me. So yeah, just coat it on, make sure it's fully covered. Usually I don't have mini twisting, but on this occasion I actually found it a lot easier because I had the mini twists in. Make sure the hair is all saturated, and then I give it a nice massage and make sure it's all up in there. Making sure to get all those edges as well. What I will do is I will leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then it is time to rinse out. I started rinsing with the twist in. I find that I get less breakage, less hair fall. So I make sure I give it a good rinse to make sure it gets all of the shampoo out, and I don't put any more shampoo in because I feel like the shampoo then just rinses through the rest of my hair, just cleansing as it goes. Give it a nice good squeeze. Then it is time to add on my conditioner. So just giving it a nice little fluff up. And then I go in with I'm going to give you a close-up shot now. Text, just scalp's clean, got loads of greys. I need to get that dye in, desperately need the dye in. But I go in with the ORS hair mayonnaise, and I tend to alternate with a conditioning shampoo and a protein shampoo, so something a little bit more strengthening. So in here I go on with the conditioner. I actually put it through the twist as I've just shampooed with, but then what I will end up doing is undoing those twists and put the conditioner on more larger sections of my hair, just to make sure everywhere is coated with the conditioner. And that's me with my cap on. So I would have had that cap on for about an hour. Did my steps, I think I did about an hour's worth of steps with the conditioner on. Give it a light little detangle with my tangle teaser. Absolutely love that. If you're a natural girly, you need a tangle teaser. The easiest thing to detangle the hair, doesn't rip it out. Love them. Would highly recommend using a tangle teaser. And then I just give that a bit of a twist up, and to be fair, I don't know why I twisted it up, because I then untwist it anyway in order to rinse it. So yeah, there is that. So as you can see, this is me undoing all the twists. As I said, I don't know why I actually retwisted it, not too sure why, but just showing you a texture shot there. I'm not sure what texture my hair is, to be fair. I know it's a tight coil, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, so that is that. Feels really nice. Now this is me after rinsing out the conditioner. Shrinkage is real, as you can see, but again, hair feels really good. I love my natural hair. I do love it. So next I'm going in with some styling products, and this is the Lush Super Milk. Absolutely love this, and this is their conditioning hair primer. So it's really like milk textured conditioner. I kind of treat it as a leave-in conditioner. It's really moisturizing. Yeah, love this. And then I go in with the Renee's Shea Souffle. So I do the lock method. So the liquid oil, this is like shea butter, as you can see. It's lovely, and I just kind of pop that through the hair as well. Yeah, just make sure I cover as much as I can, and then massage it in. And then next we have by Lush the Curl Power Hair Cream, and this again, it's the completion of the lock method, and yeah, they all smell fantastic. Yeah, I love the Lush products. I have been using these now for quite a while, and I would highly recommend if you are a natural girly out there. It's definitely worth a try, and you can actually get them in different sizes. So if you just want to, dip your toe in, see what you think, it's, you don't have to buy the big sizes for these. And then voila, I have twisted. I'm going to do a twist out, so I've just twisted my hair in sections and left it to dry, and that, my lovelies, is the end of my wash day. Thanks for watching. Bye.